One of the challenges in car sales is explaining advanced vehicle technology to customers who may not be tech-savvy. If a customer doesn't understand how a feature benefits them, they might not see its value. Some customers love technology, while others might feel overwhelmed by all the advanced features in today's vehicles. Instead of using technical jargon, AI can help you break things down into clear, everyday language that makes sense to any customer. For example, if a customer asks about Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, instead of listing every feature, you can ask AI, "How can I explain Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 to a customer who isn't very tech-savvy?" In an instant, AI will generate a response like, "It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. It helps you stay in your lane, alerts you if a car stops suddenly, and can even apply the brakes if needed." If the explanation isn't quite right, you can refine it with a prompt like, "Make this even simpler," or "Give me a version that compares it to something familiar, like a co-pilot." Clear, easy-to-understand explanations build customer confidence and help them see the real value behind advanced features.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.